In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Monday.com. Before we get started, keep in mind that deleting your account and data is permanent. Once it's gone, you won't be able to recover your boards, files, or any information stored in your workspace. So, if there's anything you might need later, take a moment to export or download it from your boards first. When you're ready, open your browser and go to your Monday.com homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual details. You'll need to be an account admin to follow these steps, so make sure you're using an admin profile on the account you want to close. From the main Monday.com interface, look towards the top or side navigation where your main menu or profile area is. Click on the highlighted menu option that opens up your account or workspace settings. In that menu, select Administration. This will open the admin settings area where you can control things like users, security, and billing. Inside the administration section, look for the billing option and click on it. Billing is where Monday.com manages your subscription, payments, and also your account status. Once you're in billing, go to the Overview tab. This is usually where you'll see information about your current plan and payment details. On the Billing Overview page, scroll until you find the option labeled Close My Account. Click on that. Monday.com will show you a confirmation window explaining what closing your account means and what will happen next. Read through that carefully, and when you're sure you want to proceed, click on Close Account. After you do that, you'll likely see a short confirmation or information message. Click Got it to continue. At this point, your subscription and account access are being closed, but your data may still exist on their servers for a short period. To permanently remove your data, look for the option that says Delete My Account Data. Click on that to move into the data deletion flow. You'll then see a more final option, Delete Account Data for Good. Click on this when you're absolutely sure you no longer need anything from the account. Monday.com may show an additional highlighted confirmation or checkbox to ensure you understand the consequences. Click on that highlight if required, and finally, confirm by selecting Delete Data Anyway. Once you've completed these steps, your Monday.com account and its associated data will be scheduled for permanent deletion, and your workspace will no longer be accessible.